About my tutorial video for Pythons made by Kevin's, and today I'm teaching you about using the for loop. And yeah, which we haven't learned about the for loop in this week. I think in next week we have learned it. But let's just talk about in Python about for loops. So that's it, kind of very easy. So we just type in here for each in range 0 to 5. Oops, 0, colon 5, and then colon print each. So let's just test it a little bit. Okay, as you can see that it's got from 0 to 4, and because it is so crane, so it just got about the input from 0 to 4. But if you want to, do you know how it's working? Like if I put more about print. Okay, so Kevin, you see that Kevin 0, Kevin 1, Kevin 2, Kevin 3, and Kevin 4. So I only got about the hand execution in here. So for in range from 0 to 5. So if e is equal to 0, it's running this, got the output here. E is equal to 1, it's running here, 2, 3, and 4, and still completed. And like, for example, we got something extra in here because Python's already noting it started from 0, so we don't need this one. This is okay too. Sorry. And now if you want to like create a new things, like about some, let me just think a little bit, what can we do in here? So if you want to type like you want to bring this from 1 to 5, that's a great idea. Okay, so 1 to 5, you need to like about addition to 1. Restart it. You can see it's got the output from 1 to 5 because that the computer brings from 0. 0 comes to here equal to 1, 1 to 1, and then it come back to a loop. It like come back to in here. E is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and then it's running. So if I want to put like from 5 to 0, so yeah, it's kind of pretty easy. 5 minus 8. You can see it's got about 5 from 5 to 1 because that the computer run from 0 and 5 minus 0 is 5, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, and then so on. It's still complete. So the E in here, so you can type whatever you want, J or something. It's still running, but we in Python we use the UEs because it's like about the index. So how about the the odd, like about the odd number? You want to put in the odd number? Let's just type like 2 multiple E and then plus 1. So we got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 because that 2 equal to multiple to 0 and plus 1 means 1, and then it's completed and still complete. So if you want to put more about it, even number, we can do this one. Yeah, just like about a loops I'm already describing here. 0 is started from 0 and then complete to 4. So there are another way for you to doing about an even number. Just only on Python. I don't think that in C++ or C# or Ruby got this one, because like just delete this one. If you see that it got 3 number in here, 0, 5, and 2, so it means that it jumped to 4 number. No, it jumped to 2 number. So you can see that it got 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yeah, it's still an even number, and but I'm not recommending you for doing this one because like make another user in another language a little bit confused. So yeah, how about we are also learning about for loops in loops, but I will do it in the next video. Thank you for listening.